I've got to say, I'm really loving this camera so far. I've had it for a few weeks and I've been able to do things I've never been able to do before with the 360 camera. And I'd say probably my most favorite thing so far is its ability to deal with motion, both slow motion and fast motion. You might have seen the drifter shots in Insta360's promo videos and wondered, how do they do that? It's just flying. Well, this is how they do it. They use this silly looking thing, looks like a rocket, and the onex is secured into this. This is apparently designed in a way that it won't damage the lenses if you throw it on a flat surface. So I'm going to try with this glass behind me. I'm going to give it to my friend Peter. He's going to throw it past me. We're going to change the camera into 100 frames a second 3K and see exactly what it does. So we got a way better result with the selfie stick method, and because it wasn't going as fast as when you throw it, you actually got more detail as the camera was moving. So I would not suggest using this at all. Forget about the drifter. Also, this is a $400 camera. There's just no need. Now we're going to speed things up and try out a hyperlapse. I'm going to switch into 5.7K video and just walk around this path here. With hyperlapses, you want to shoot for a minimum of about a minute, ideally 4 or 5, and then speed it up to about a 10-second clip. It's going to look so cool. Because of the awesome stabilization, it doesn't really matter how I hold the selfie stick. I'm going to hold it quite high, but no doubt I'm going to bump it. But I can just walk like this, right? And it's going to stabilize. So now I'm going to switch to 4K 50 frames a second because I'm going to try a different effect yet again. This time I'm going to mix hyperlapse with slow motion. So having those 50 frames is going to allow us to get decent slow motion while still getting our fast moving hyperlapse. Resolution is key when reframing 360 video, so always try and shoot as high resolution as you can while trying to achieve the effect you're going for. And the boxes on the hillside, the little boxes made ticky-tacky, little boxes on the hillside, the little boxes on the stage. There's a blue one and the pink one and the green one and the yellow one, and they're all made of ticky-tacky and they all look just the same. Reframing in the Insta360 app is really easy. First, you choose your viewpoints, you'll go through your entire clip, choose where you want to look. Next, we're going to go to edit and speed. To do slow motion, we're going to go down to 1/4 the speed, or if you want to do hyperlapse, you go up to 16 times. For time lapses, there's an option to add a motion blur, and this looks really cool. I would recommend doing that. Next, you just export as a fixed frame video, and you have yourself a slow motion shot or a hyperlapse. And that's how I did it. It took me a few minutes to reframe each of those shots, and how good were the results? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos around the Insta360 onex. I've got a few more coming out this week, so you won't want to miss those. Also, find me on Instagram here and Facebook here. Also, if you thought these effects were cool and you want to learn more about 360 video, you should definitely check out my video course. It's called A Beginner's Guide to 360 Video, and it walks you through everything I know about 360 video from beginning to end in 3 hours. Forget about buying the drifter. That is the perfect accessory for any new Insta360 onex. So that's it from me, coming to you from beautiful Montmartre, France, and I'll see you in the next video. Whew.